Welcome back to Ease with Tech, the place where we make technology simple and help you use it to save time, money, and frustration. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on smart tools and tech tips that actually make life easier. Let's be real, nothing is worse than seeing that dreaded check engine light come on. You're instantly wondering, is this going to be a $50 problem or a $1,500 problem? And usually, before you even know what's wrong, you're already handing over money at the shop just for them to scan your car. But what if you could do that yourself? What if you could not only read the codes, but actually run real tests on your car's systems, get step-by-step instructions, and fix the problem with confidence? That's where the Innova 56100 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool comes in. And today, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why this little device can save you time, money, and frustration. And honestly, make you feel like a pro mechanic in your own driveway. You know how it usually goes. Check engine light comes on and the shop charges you just to hook up their scanner. The Innova 5610 does the exact same thing. Actually more, right from your own garage. It scans your car's computer and gives you detailed info, not just vague codes. Engine problems, transmission issues, ABS and SRS systems. It digs deep into all of them. That means no more guessing games, no more swapping random parts. You get straight answers on what's wrong so you can take action immediately. This is where the 5610 really sets itself apart. Most OBD2 scanners are read only. They tell you what's wrong, but that's it. The Innova 5610 is bidirectional. That means you can actually send commands to your car's systems. Want to test your fuel pump? You can turn it on right from the scanner. Need to check an ABS actuator? Cycle it without touching a wrench. Instead of throwing parts at a problem and hoping one works, you can confirm exactly what's failing before you spend a dime. That's the kind of testing shops use. And now, you can do it too. Knowing the problem is step 1, but fixing it with confidence. That's what saves you from stress. The Innova 5610 gives you live data in real time. Things like temperature sensors, fuel trims, O2 sensors, all the info you'd normally pay a mechanic for. On top of that, it has reset functions, oil lights, battery systems, and more. No need to dig through your owner's manual or guess at weird button combos. And here's the kicker. It also comes with repair tips and guided diagnostics. So if you're not a master mechanic, don't worry. It's like having a technician whispering in your ear, here's what the problem means, and here's how to fix it. Here's something a lot of people don't think about. Cars are constantly evolving. A scanner that works today might be outdated tomorrow, but the Innova 5610 comes with free software updates so it stays compatible with newer cars year after year. And if you ever get stuck, this isn't one of those overseas support nightmares. You get US-based technical support. Real people who know cars and can actually walk you through your issue. That alone is a lifesaver. Let's talk about the bottom line. A shop will charge $100 to $150 just to hook up their scanner and tell you what's wrong. Do that 2 or 3 times and you've already spent more than the cost of this tool. But with the Innova 5610, you can scan your own car, your family's cars, even friends' cars, as many times as you want for free. That's money that stays in your pocket and hours saved from sitting in a waiting room. Whether you're a DIYer, a weekend tinkerer, or just someone who doesn't like being ripped off, this tool pays for itself the first time you use it. So there you have it. 5 solid reasons why the Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool can change the way you take care of your car. No more mystery check engine lights, no more wasted money at the shop. Just clear answers, real testing power, and the confidence to fix it right the first time. If you're ready to take control of your car's health and your wallet, check out the link in the description and grab your own Innova 5610 today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and I'll see you in the next one.